Viewers all over the world, for some of you that are seeing me for the first time, one more boy feels I go cheat to be an orif them or a former Kajuko. Issue why you ever know but it go step by step of what you must do as a seeker. Genti, Yakanji Webber. Now, before we go niru, echefukwana na mbụ onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi toward na temple. Bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo na onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. So, form a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Echefukwana na ya batago n'ọnwa Mee na aja na-achụ n'ọnwa kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Mee agabago n'iru. Ị nwere ike isonyela ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum. Ichi isonyela ihe ị ga-eme forward ya 3 prayer requests. Then make token donation to the account number. Ị chat them na WhatsApp. Agwa gị ihe ị ga-eme ka i wee sonyela anyị. WhatsApp number anyị bụ 08057837672. More 08138243871. In our screen, you have those numbers now. On number time. Now let's proceed. Is your quanyable step by step of what you must do as a seeker. Now, ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-ajụ ajụjụ as a seeker, as an adherent, somebody that came back to his roots. Kedu ihe o kwesịrị ime? Gee ntị ma gee ntị nke ọma. Ihe a nchọwara ịkọwara gị bụ a life-changing one, step by step. Ọ bụrụ na itinye n'ọrụ, you will thank me later. Now, what you must do first of all, one, get chigatalụ to your root. Malụ na ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa. Marụkwazi na ọ bụrụ na ị build personal relation with ụmụ mmụọ, ọ dịrị gị mma. Yes. So ihe kwesịrị ime nke mbụ bụ keke datago na be nna gị. Gbọkuo chi gị. Esikwana maka na ị nwere ego. No. Igbo spirituality is not all about na enwere m ego ma ọ bụ enwere m ego. Ihe mmụọ chọrọ wu recognition. Ọ bụrụ na ị bata, recognize ya chi gị, ndị nna nna gị ha, all the ancestral forces and all your spiritual associates. Ihe dị mkpa bụ ị na-enwe personal devotion with them. You must create time. Ije rụọ ọrụ mmụọ. Ọtụtụ n'ime ụnụ adịghị follow the right step. Onye akpata iji wee na-eme mistake thinking that everything is all about money. O nwere some certain things ị ga-eme ịbịagoro nata to your root. Build personal relation. Ụmụ mmụọ gị na ha so na-ịnatawo na be nna gị. Na ị chọrọ ka ha mee ka ọnọdụ dịrị gị mma. Create a personal time gị na ha ji akparị nkata. A na-akpọ ya ọnọdụ wute ụmụ mmụọ. O nwere ike ịbụ ihe ị na-eme n'ụtụtụ, nwere ike ịbụ ehihie, nwere ike ịbụ abalị. Anytime ọ bụla dị gị mma. Personal devotion. Ọ bụrụ na ị build that personal devotion gị na ụmụ mmụọ ji akpa, ọ dị very important. Ihe o ji dị mkpa na ị ga-ebuild that personal devotion bụ oge iji akwụnye onwe gị n'ọkụ, so that onwe ife ha chọrọ ịda communicate gị, ha na-communicate gị. Nke ọzọ bụ n'oge a m na-agwa gị, ọ bụrụ na ị gọchaa ọfọ ma ọ kpechaa ekpere, as case may be, echefukwana inye time, silent time, ị ga-eji wee gee ntị n'ime onwe gị wee sị ha kedu ihe unu chọrọ ka m mee. Listen to your inner being. Mgbe ahụ ị gbara nkịtị, some people nwere ike ịba trance at that particular time. O dependere etu o si eme gị, etu mmụọ si egosi onye a ihe abụrụ etu onye a si egosi onye a ihe. O nwere one of my friend, ọ sịrị m na yesterday ka ọ na-akọrọ m ihe mere nọ. O wee sị m na last week na ya lụrụ nlọ wee fụ a friend ya mabụ. Wee sị friend ya nwa na data ebe ahụ ọ na-ada ejebe ndị kọtụ na-eme operate nye eje n'ebe ahụ na ya fụrụ ebe ebere mkpịsị aka na-abụ. Gwasị ya data na nwa the guy kpọchie ntị jee ebe ahụ last Friday ndị kọtụ nwe ọgba na nwụdị ebe ya aka na-abụ. Wee na-asị m kedu ihe ya ga-eme, ọ ya fụzụ ụdị ihe anyị ekwusịrị asị ya mba na nọ maka ihe na onye agwalụ kpọchiri ntị ka o ji wee bịa into manifestation. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? O nwere ndị bụ na ha na-ezi ha ozi tụrụ nrọ, nwee ndị a na-ezi ha ozi, a na-ezi ozi physical dịka broad daylight message, nwee ndị na-aba into trance, nwee ndị bụ na nwere ike ọ na-alahụ ụlọ ọnụ voice, nwee ndị na-amụ anya onye ha na-akpọ clairvoyance and clairaudience. ndị nwe ndị wụ na ha na-anụ anụ ha ga-anụ ha anụ voice akpọọ ya afazie ya ozi. Nwee ndị wụ na ha ga-anọ na-eme like pictures. So ọ site na ị na-eme the spiritual exercise ka ị ga-eji wee mata otu mmụọ ndị gị na ha sosi esi gosi. Very important. That was the basic thing. Then the second thing ị kwesịrị ime bụ so create your time 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes for your spiritual meditation. Very important. That is the key. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-eso m mana ị nwebụrụ time for your spiritual meditation, you are not serious. Yes. Bidogo nyawa bụ the key. Ọ bụrụ ịgbaje ka dibịa lụọ ọrụ ọrụ, ọ bụrụ ịgbaje ka spiritualist lụọ ọrụ ọrụ bụgodo mkpa. Ihe dị mkpa bụ you must from your own end connect yourself with power source. Ihe dibịa na-emere gị ka ngwa gị ma spiritualist na-emere gị bụ intercession, interceding on your case. The same way your attorney, your counsel, lawyer gị na-ekpere etinye aka na case gị wee plead there with judge. Whether ma ikpe ọmara ma ọ na ikpe amara gị ka ị nwee soft landing. Ọ bụrụ na ikpe amara gị ọzọpụta gị, ọgwa na ikpe mara gị ị nwee soft court adị lenient to the punishment ya ga-enye gị. That is the work of your counsel or your attorney. So all ihe aka ya spiritualist na-eme. Mana ọ bụrụzie na ọ na-engage the services of your spiritualist na-arụ ụlọ ga vodu aka gị na-apịtọ na-ebi ndụ etu sọrọ gị, ọ gị na-eme onwe gị nke ọ dịkwa. So nke mbụgodo that personal devotion ị ga na-eme every day. Imechaa ya nwekwa ya time mgbe ahụ ka ị ga na-enweta inspiration. Do this, do this, do that. Ka ofu. Nke bụ anyị ga na-eme maka ndị na-ada asị m na onwe ndị na-ada asị m na cobweb na-eko ha na room ha bi. Cobweb a na-eko ha from time to time. Ebe ha si gafekọta obere oge cobweb eko ha. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-eme datị na gee ntị ma gee ntị maka ngwa gị ihe ị ga-eme. Simple ihe ị ga-eme bụ ihe ọpụta bụ na cobweb na-eko gị ma ọ bụ na ị na-alụ ajọ nlọ, ma ndị cobweb na-eko ma ndị na-alụ ajọ nlọ ma ndị na-afụ ilu na ha na-enwe ha nọgido na room ha. Ọ dịghị ka asị na o nwere onye ọzọ nọ dị a ma ọ na onwe spirit nọ dị a. Ị na-enweta ụdị ihe dị etu a, gee ntị ma gee ntị nke ọma. Ihe a m chọrọ ịkụwara nwere ndị eji maka ha wee sị m zie ozi a taa, and ama m na ndị eji maka ha wee na-ezi ozi a na-ada na ha ga-abụ ndị nwere onwe ha ma ọ bụrụ na ige ntị. Ị nwere ike isi n'ofu n'ime ha. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-abụ ịnọrọ ọdụ ka ị na-efiru na-enwere presence of spirit unseen force na-anọ na room gị ma ọ na-anọ na be gị ma ọ bụ na ị na-ala ajọ nlọ ma ọ bụ na cobweb na-eko gị. Ihe ndị a simple means na ihe ndị ọzọ simple means na-enwe negative vibrations. Yes, na-anọ within your spiritual environment. Now let me give you a simple tip you will do. Gaa chọọ akwụkwọ ogilisi leaf, fertility leaf. Yes, go and look for it. If you can get the one that have like 5 arms, that is 5 leaves, yes, look for that one. If you get that a stick of contain 5 leaves, take it to your room. If you go to your room, open your windows and your doors wide open. Now today you make declaration today that you call your name and you call the entities of powers that on duty on that particular day. Like today is Eke. Call the spirits that works on Eke day. That today you, if I will be, for example, that today you are cleansing every negativity and commanding any negativity from this year room to vanish. Any darkness, any negative vibration, that today you are casting them out all. See what you do. Go to your rooms. Even if you have multiple rooms, you do it in all the rooms. If you have only one room, do it in that room. Start from one end to the other end, line by line. Example, wash my hands. You say, today, I cleanse every negativity in this room. You start from one edge, just be doing like this. In the air, as if you are removing cobwebs, line by line. And once you are doing it, be talking. Today, being a market day, I drive out all negative vibration in this room, that no more. You are no longer accommodated in this room. You start from one end to the other. You go back, line by line, as if you are sweeping. They are selling, as in, that is how we'll be doing. Line by line till you get to the door. Now today, I sweep you off. All the negative vibration. You know, if you are doing spiritual work, you look as if you are playing. This is a practical actions that have spiritual vibrations. Now, after that, you bring the leaves you are having. Continue the same way you did in the up. You do it in the on the ground. But this time around, that your leaf will not be touching ground. You can be doing it in air. Yes. You be doing it because you remember this your room have foams, have whatever. So you are not doing it as if you are sweeping normal sweeping. So you'll be doing it in the air as if you are sweeping the room in the air, and you'll be talking from one end to the another, from one end to another. That's how you'll be doing it line by line till you get to the door post again. Say that today you are sweeping off any negative vibrations. See, let me tell you about what spiritual work. Spiritual work has the practicality of it and demonstration of it and the spiritual effect of it. Yes. So by that actions you are doing, you are already giving commanding force and do practicalize it exactly what you want in the spiritual realm. Now, after doing those things, you now go and look for alligator pepper. Look for alligator pepper. Get 4 seed. Bring those 4 seed to your mouth. Then speak to them. That today, being Eke Market Day, I, so person, maybe if I will be, today, I'm making declaration in the name of Chukwu Geprimi Henine, God Almighty, that from today, no negative vibrations is welcome in this room. Let this room be cleansed. No negative vibration will be attracted in this room. After making your wish, your declarations, take this 4 seed to one edge of the room. Remember, a room normally have 4 edges, right? Drop that 4 seed. Bring another 4 seed. Say the same thing. Take it to the other end. Look for another seed. Take it to the other end. Look for another seed. Take it to the other end. Say the same thing and take it to another end. Meaning 16 seeds in one room. 4 seeds each. After that, go and look for a pinch of salt. Look for a pinch of salt. Then speak that today, that now, no is a repeller. Salt destroy negative things. Yes. To buttress my point, you know, see the way the salt destroy any maybe worm, whatever. Once you sprinkle salt on them, they are gone. So salt has the potential to repel every negative things around us. And the Eze-Ana. So after that, make declaration that as salt is very important, that from today going forward, that you will be like salt in the midst of people that normally do business with you or do work with you, that you will be as important as salt. Now, after that, after making the declaration, just a pinch of salt, go to one end, drop it, drop the other end, drop the other end, drop the other end. Those 4 corners must have a pinch of salt. Now, if you are the type that normally witness cobweb, or you are the type that normally have negative dreams, or you are the type that normally have a kind of movement in the room, do this thing repeatedly, once in 7 days, do it like 4 consecutive times. You will see that those cobwebs of a thing will stop. Yes, it works like magic. Yes, and I know some of my children have already practiced it and it works like magic. Yes, so make sure you do this 4 good after repeat after 7 days, repeat after 7 days. Those cobwebs we are seeing today, you will see them no more. Anytime you begin to notice it again, start to repeat it again. Or you see a type that normally have dreams. Sometimes why you are forgetting your dreams is because there is negative vibrations around you, or some people will be saying that they are sleeping. They notice that it's like something is strangling them, as in pinning them on the ground. They are everywhere is stiff. Understand? Some will attribute it to other things, but I can tell you, begin to cleanse your room every 7 days, it will stop. Yes, both bad dreams. If you are one of those people that we say that they go to bed, they have dreams, but in the morning they will not remember their dreams. Very simple thing. See what you do. Make sure that after doing what I asked you to do in terms of cleansing your rooms to ward off negative vibrations, that is a different thing. Then another thing you will do for you to be remembering your dreams is simple. One, always keep your thought pure. Don't be of those people that normally at night their work is to go and be watching pornography, watching nude pictures and whatever. No, because heart is like a magnet, a photocopier machine. Whatever you give to your mind, the mind give to your eyes, the mind copy it. So and with higher possibility that some of those things will be playing around when you are asleep. Never you fill your mind. Never fill your mind with negative thought. Always have a good volition, good thought, good longing towards yourself and towards the people around you. So always have a noble, let's be a noble person. Always think good. Don't indulge in anything that is abomination. The reason is if you are not indulging in anything abomination, your life, you have given your life a meaning. Because life is all about garbage in, garbage out. If you are the type that always fill your mind with negative vibration, negative thoughts, believe in me, you have shown negativity in creation and you must attract them. So that is one. So first of all, cleanliness is next to godliness. So you will begin by cleaning your inner spirit. Remember what I asked you to cleanse off your room is a part of it, but start from the inner self. Turn a new leaf. Turn a new leaf so that you will be your thinking will always be pure. Then after turning a new leaf, reject every negative lifestyle. Then cleanse your environment. Because a na-agwọ osi odo anya anaghị etinye ya ose. So if you really want to ward off any negative vibration, negative dreams and negative fears that you normally can account or whatever you go to sleep, I can tell you. The reason is that there is presence of negative vibration in your room and in your environment. And the question is who attracted them? Yes, those negative vibrations are attracted by you. Maybe your lifestyle, maybe the way you think, and rest of them that you attracted them. So you need to ward them off, start from your inner life, and then do those physical actions. Then after that, in the night, for you that normally have dreams and you don't remember, go and look for alligator pepper, 4 seeds. After you must have taken your bath at night, put that 4 seeds inside your mouth and make declaration. Don't chew it till you say about the seeds in your mouth. And make declaration that today, as you are going to sleep, that no negative vibration will come near you. And no selling spirit, no spirit will sell any message given to you. That whatever dream shows to you, that you must remember them. After cancelling negativity, then that seed, 4 seed you have in your mouth, chew them and spit it out. Pour, 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 4 times. Then after that, go and look for alligator pepper. If possible, you can be putting 1 alligator pepper on your bed. That is pillow side. And make declaration that no negative vibration, no surgery, no negative vibration will steal from you tonight. I wouldn't you could say the way about what the pillow was saying. I can tell you, no would you may hand the angwalagi. Be done, can I say your inner spirit? Can I say your physical household? Remember, if you have multiple rooms, you do it in all. Then can I say your inner distance and make this declaration I ask you. Gradually, you will begin to sleep very well and have sweet messages, and you will remember them all. This is the step by step you will be following in order to begin to change things around you. Now, anytime you want to do spiritual work, call your forces that you want to do spiritual work, that you want them to lead you to the right person that is destined for you, the right person that will guide you to the right path. Then seek, after you must have been led to someone to do consultation for you. After consultation, then stick to the person, let the person be doing work for you. By so doing, I can tell you, gradually, you'll be moving gradually. Don't succumb to the idea that if you don't have money, you cannot do spiritual work. No. Even if you don't have money, na-emerge, na-pour libation, making declaration, especially facing the east, and it shall be well with you. Let me stop here. In the name of Chukwu, I make declaration upon the lives of those that join us. I make declaration that it shall be uplifted, it shall be blessed, it shall be blessed. Whatever you lay hands will begin to manifest positively. As I made this declaration, so shall it be. Udo dịrị onye ọbụla ka ọ dịkwa na echi niile n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Nwa ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi a maọbụ na ịchọ ka agbaala gị afa mere eme, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Ndị anyị na-asịrị gị afụ nọmba. Udo dịrị ọnụ.